3 activities in Dubai when visiting the country in 2021. Number 3. See Dubai's landmarks and beautiful coastline from the deck of a boat on the Persian Gulf. Perfect for families, couples, or groups of friends, the spacious yacht provides plenty of room to relax, meet new people, or simply sit back and take in the sensational views. During this boat tour, available in the early morning and late evening to beat the desert heat, get views of the Palm Jumeirah, the Dubai Marina, and the Burj Al Arab. Bring your camera for photo ops and learn about the history and culture of Dubai through your guide's narration. Number 2. Shopping. Dubai is considered one of Asia's best shopping destinations. From international brands selling high fashion to traditional businesses featuring local handicrafts, Dubai is a one-stop shop for retail. Offering a traditional twist on the shopping experience, the Old Dubai area comprising the older neighborhoods of Deira, Karama, and Bur Dubai is your destination for gold, spice and perfume souks, as well as fresh food and seafood markets. Souvenir shopping opportunities abound with carved lanterns, embroidered upholstery, inscribed mementos shaped like camels and mosques, and more all on offer. The downtown area offers some of the best shopping in the city, with the Dubai Mall in a prime location here. Find top luxury brands selling everything from jewelry and clothing to decor and gadgets. Proximity to all major Dubai attractions is an added bonus, that is, if you can tear yourself away from the retail therapy. Number 1. Discover the beauty and customs of the desert on Dubai Desert Safari. Leave Dubai in a comfortable four-wheel drive car with a guide, and enjoy an exciting mix of traditional and modern desert adventures. Ride a camel, surf a sandboard down the Dubai sand dunes, and relax at a desert campsite as the sun sets. Get a henna tattoo, watch a tanra folk dance, and top off your trip with a delicious barbecue dinner, including shawarma station, and exotic belly dancing show under the stars as you sit around the campfire.